this is going to be a very quick navigational tutorial for the Billing and Coding module of our MA Urgent Care Center. The first section is some general information about your program. This second section has some commonly or frequently asked questions, as well as some information about the CPC exam, some practice CPC exam opportunities, an alternative credential. We also have some coding resources. These are video demonstrations on how to code from the various manuals, CPT, HCPCS, ICD-10, as well as some coding case practice examples that put it all together. There are references if you would like to review those resources in more detail. And we also have a link to a website that provides you with all of these same resources in a mobile-friendly format, as well as a format that will be available after graduation. So if you want to go ahead and save this website to your favorites, you'll have access even after graduation. Thank you, and I hope you found this helpful.